Hi, this is Stefan with Custom Wood Design. This is a 23 by 9 United States Marine Corps sign in dark walnut featuring the rank, soldier's name, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines of text, 2 rank symbols, the emblem of the United States Marine Corps. This is 3/4 thick, dark walnut, comes with 2 sawtooth hangers already installed. Here's another version, rank, soldier's name, dividing line, 3 stars, 1, 2, 3 lines of text. Also featuring optional a note on the back, also with sawtooth hangers attached, 3/4 of an inch thick. Link to this item in the description below. Bye.